Black lives don't matter, black money do. I've been watching you kill black people in America since 1959. All right, since 1959. This is the Westmore and Shorty story. All right, Westmore been knowing me since 2014 when he was with Robin Hood, the criminalization of poverty. I came to Columbia University to attend one of his events. I'm with Out for Justice, an ex-felon-led organization. Also Shorty, the self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. I'm a philanthropist, all right? I'm also a lab rat, all right? We talking about injustice. Justice delayed won't be justice denied. Like I said, in the name of Martin Luther King, in the spirit of the King. It's a call and commitment. It's making a documentary about your prison industry and your money you make off the war on drugs, N62528. That's the Creative Alliance. That's Baltimore's BOPA, Arts and Promotions, and these are my witnesses. This from 2015. I started it in 2006. Get Shorty. This is 2015. And it says right here, 12/11/2006. Very selective. That's Ivan Bates. Because I'm going to talk about the corruption in the courts and the creation of a criminal enterprise. That's evidence. All right? Timed and dated. February the 2nd, 2011 at 8:56 a.m. I never got a trial for none of these cases. That's Illinois, Maryland, city, county, state, and federal violations. These is my witnesses. That's the governor's office, Minority Affairs, when I was locked up in Towson. That's Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown. Now he's the Attorney General. That's the State Public Defender's Office. And that's Judge Carrion. If you go in front of City Hall, in front of the Calvert Street Courthouse and City Hall, all this is on the walls at City Hall. That's P.O. Box 38. I was kidnapped and held 186 days illegally by the state of Illinois. And these are the inmates, which makes it a class action lawsuit. I'm an activist in Baltimore, and my activism is documented. These are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Right here. These are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Scott Shellenberger and the Department of Justice got this. But I'm sending this to Judge Badar. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. But I'm going to terrorize you with the truth. That's Scott Shellenberger. These are the criminal charges. And I filed those charges. All right? Means, motive, and opportunity. Elements of a crime. Kidnapping. 2/7/2011. That's a subpoena. And nobody ever got served. That's Julie Enser, the clerk of the court in Baltimore County. That's Julie Enser. All right? You are liable. All right? Nobody got arrested for that. Nobody got locked up for that. That's Dwayne G. Davis Sr. All right? And this is my resume. Education, 1987. I got a GED. All right? You feel me? Shorty's Mobile Barbecue. Shorty's Underground Ribs. All right? And those are links to show my work, and it shows everything I've been doing. United States Navy, honorably discharged. All right, that's Baltimore City Hall. That's Obama and Gates. That's me, P.O. Box 38, my number. These are the elected officials that have full knowledge of this. All right, State of Maryland with full knowledge of this. James Broshin, Moynihan, Zirkin, Gladden, McIntosh, Telma Branch, McFadden, Jill P. Carter, Joan Carter Conway. All right? This is documented because it's a documentary about Baltimore. And I put you on the storyboard. I did the same thing to you in 2008, and I'm doing the same thing now. It ain't broke, I ain't got to fix it. That's Governor O'Malley. And that's Get Shorty. Falls Road, Get Shorty. And like I said, I'm doing a documentary. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. See that? 2007. 1190 Falls Road. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor O'Malley. I gave you an ex-felon re-entry program. All right? False imprisonment for filming a documentary about racism in the Lake County Jail. Denial of due process, equal protection, and freedom of speech. See the date? That's Barbara Mikulski. All right? That's a Privacy Act. Y'all got that. That's David Irwin. And it says right here, Ridge Country Store, 2007. as a general matter, the opinion in any case is reversed and remanded on appeal, not to be considered a conviction. It's not to be considered a conviction. And the state of Maryland and Illinois presented false evidence to the grand jury. That's 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped. That's Mr. Fields, the Baltimore County lawyer. I filed a $250 million lawsuit against y'all. Not a lawsuit, but the price of my property. And that's Governor O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Senator Hardin, Barbara Mikulski, Richard McFeely, the FBI, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boers, Governor Quinn, Eric Holder, the Department of Justice, Gail King, and Bank of America. Bomb threat forces evacuation. You feel me? That's the Baltimore, no, that's the Lake County News Sun when they lied on me, and the Baltimore Sun and they lied on me. That's me. And these are the emails gonna send you to jail. To whom it may concern. That shares that I was locked up in another state. That was received. That's my producer, Rob Fix, Letters Design. No attack occurred. This is the storyboard that you stole from me. Letters to my presidents, George W. Bush, Barack Obama. All right? 1402 Lochner. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. This is a Whistleblower's Act. Artist of truth. I'm an artist of truth. That's the toilet you locked me up for? That's the toilet I had at the Visionary Arts Museum. I was shitting on you. I own Shorty's. That's Mayor Pugh. These are the supporters of Shorty's. This is the Baltimore Ravens. All right? That's the supporters of Shorty's. You see that? Shorty's. Pit beef. That's 2/9/2011. Public Defender's Office. This is the Attorney Registry Disciplinary Committee. And these are the lawyers that violated the law. Federal investigation requests. That's Chief Hyatt and Johnny Oleski. City, county, state, and federal levels. I exhausted my remedies under the law. Judge Badar gonna get this. You feel me? So where do you stand on this? The other Westmore. This is a true story about Shorty.